An autoregressive large language model is a type of machine learning that uses autoregressive techniques to predict the next word in a sequence of words based on the words that have come before it. This can be used for tasks such as natural language processing and machine translation. As an example, stock price for today will depend on the stock price of yesterday and will continue according to auto-regression process, and based on these values we should be able to do some precise predictions. But one word of caution here, this can't always be true. So that is why it is very highly dependent on the quality of the training data set. The advantage of this model is that you can tell if there is a lack of randomness by using the autocorrelation functions. Additionally, it is capable of forecasting recurring patterns in data, and that is the reason why they are quite popular in generative AI tools these days. So simply put, autoregressive model is simply a model which predicts the future values on the basis of past values. I hope that this made sense and it's simple enough to understand. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Thank you.